Pulled footage from a Uniden security camera and ended up with a UD1 video file? These contain surveillance video in a manufacturer-specific container. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play and convert these Uniden security camera videos. Just a heads up, the best strategy against tricky UD1 errors is having a dedicated viewing program. I'll reveal more about my favorite tool towards the end. A UD1 file is a video recording generated by certain models of Uniden security cameras or dashcams. Users typically encounter this proprietary format when they try to access and play back saved surveillance footage on a computer. The main challenge is finding a compatible player to view the video content. The UD1 format is a proprietary binary container designed to efficiently store video and audio streams on limited storage devices like SD cards. The structure is optimized for continuous recording and overwrite cycles, prioritizing data integrity, and quick access for the specific hardware's playback functions. The optimal viewer for the UD1 format is generally considered to be Uniden Guardian 2 from Uniden Corporation. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows can play many video formats using built-in or installed media players. Open the menu by right-clicking your UD1 file and choosing Open With. Try Uniden Guardian 2 first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. When a UD1 file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Failure of the main program tells us the UD1 error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, playing in Uniden software. Install the Uniden Surveillance Manager or the application bundled with your specific Uniden DVR system. Open the application and use the playback interface to load UD1 files. The software displays video with timestamp overlays, motion event markers, and camera channel information enabling forensic review of recorded surveillance footage. Next, trying VLC Media Player. Attempt to play UD1 files in VLC Media Player, which supports many video codecs through its extensive codec library. Right-click the file and select Open With, then VLC. If VLC recognizes the underlying video stream, it plays the content, though metadata overlays from Uniden software won't be visible in standard VLC playback. Finally, converting to standard format. Use the Uniden software's export function to convert UD1 files to standard formats like AVI or MP4 for broader compatibility. Open the UD1 file, select the desired time range, and choose Export with a standard format option. Converted files play in any media player and can be shared as evidence or archived for long-term storage. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.